Now that you've got the PhoneBurner app installed, let's head over to the Contact Manager. You can filter your list any way you want within the Contact Manager. Once you've identified the specific list of contacts that you want to call, go ahead and select that list, and then you're going to click on the PhoneBurner button in the upper middle portion of the page. You'll notice this little check mark, this checkbox is already checked. I'd recommend just leaving that checked because that's going to allow you to see the records in GoHighLevel as you're making calls using PhoneBurner. But once you click that button to begin the PhoneBurner dial session, a new window is going to pop up and you're going to be going through call by call, contact by contact, making your calls. It's that easy. As you're making your calls, you're going to go ahead and disposition each call based off of the call outcome. You might get voicemails, no answers, busy signals. You may connect with people. And so you'll have your conversation like you would with anyone else. And then you're going to click that live answer button and then end the call when you're done talking to them. You'll be able to take as much time as you want or need after you wrap up a call with somebody and then disposition the contact at that point. But that's it. You're just going to click on the disposition that makes the most sense based off of what you've experienced on the phone call with that contact.